From your eyes to your ears, are you or someone you know struggling with hearing aids? Well, we have a solution for you this morning. We're talking about cochlear implants, and they may be able to help you out. Bob and Megan are here to tell us about a free seminar, and we're really encouraging people to go to learn more about this. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks so much for coming this morning. Bob, you've actually had a cochlear implant in your ear a couple of times. Just recently, when was the last one that went in your ear?
About a year ago, I upgraded from our original Freedom model.
Tell me how your life has changed after the cochlear implant. No longer dealing with hearing aids, able to hear so much better. Just kind of tell me about your experience.
My experience for me is very exciting. I started originally experienced hearing difficulty well over 30 years ago and bought just about every hearing aid that was on the market. As a correction, I currently are referred to as bilateral. That means I have one cochlear implant and still one hearing aid. The second year is still not at that point, but it's very likely that as my age continues to go, that I will need a cochlear implant. Very quickly, I was very active. I started my own business about 40 years ago, very interested and active in business associations, as well as board of directors meetings for homeowners associations. I was the president of 2 of them for several years. I just got out of it. I had to drop out because I could not participate in these meetings. I was not effective. In the last 3 months, I'm back. I'm back on both boards. I'm going to go on a third board probably in another month. So that's pretty dramatic.
That's amazing. So your life has completely changed.
Yes, it has.
Okay, that's so wonderful. And that's really why we're talking about this free seminar that is being held. Tell me what people can expect to learn at the seminar, and tell me who are the right candidates for cochlear implants.
Sure. So the seminar tomorrow, it's from 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And it's a free opportunity for people to come to the San Diego Del Mar Marriott and just learn about the options that are available to treat severe hearing loss. We're going to have some medical professionals there that people can talk to, and then also some recipients like Bob, so that they can talk to people who've had these treatments and learn more about what it's really like.
It can be kind of scary for people. They're not really sure what to expect, and so it's nice that we have people like Bob who have been through it, and they're really just telling us how dramatically it's changed your life. Tell me what people can expect if they do decide to go through with it and have a cochlear implant. What was the process like?
The process is a screening process, just like you were to select a new hearing aid. There are criteria that are set up by the FDA that the audiologists have to meet before they can recommend it. There are all kinds of funding programs now available that were not really available when I started. But basically, it's done, and being a candidate, it's done surgically. It's an outpatient thing, about 35 or 40 minutes. That is really a piece of cake kind of thing. You're back on your feet in about 2 or 3 days. That's really is. And then working with some of the local audiologists that are, the terminology is called mapping.
Okay, and so we have some video here kind of showing what it looks like to put this cochlear implant inside an ear and kind of get an idea. But like Bob was saying, you know, pain-free, doesn't have any pain, in 2 to 3 days, downtime, not too bad. And you're saying it dramatically changed your life, so certainly worth it.
Oh, absolutely. I was I have several wonderful ear-tearing stories about it, but I have 3 lovely grandchildren, and I really was not able to communicate with them, with the little squeaky voices of the young ones. If they needed to go to the bathroom or not, they always went to Nana and said, "Papa can't hear me." And now we just came back from Celebration, which is now a cochlear event. It was in Florida, and I had the 3 of them, and we just had a ball in Disneyland following the event, and it was a great relationship in bonding me more with the family and friends.
That's so wonderful. It's so wonderful to hear, you know, firsthand testimonies of how well this has worked. Let's talk a little bit more about the technology. I know that these cochlear implants have changed a lot over the years. There's new advanced technology. Tell me how it's different from, let's say, 5 years ago.
Absolutely. Well, just as there's been a lot of advancements in computer technology in 5 years, there's been similar advances in hearing technology. The cochlear implant has changed dramatically over the past 5 years as far as the microphone technology and just the processing that's going on. What's important to remember is that a cochlear implant works a lot differently from a hearing aid. So a hearing aid will make sounds louder, which is great for a lot of people with hearing loss, but for some people with severe hearing loss, that's not enough. Maybe sounds still aren't loud enough, or maybe sounds are louder, but it's still really hard to understand speech. There isn't that clarity. So the cochlear implant, instead of just making things louder, it sends sound directly to the auditory nerve, bypassing parts of the ear that are damaged. And so that can provide the clarity as well as the volume that is needed to overcome the hearing loss.
It's a very advanced technology. Let's kind of talk now more specifically about who are the right candidates for this. Is it someone who maybe just has a little bit of hearing loss, or do they have to have a significant amount in order to be a candidate? Or what about kids as well?
It's approved for children and adults, and to determine if you're a candidate, you go see an audiologist and have a hearing test that looks at the softest sounds you can hear, but also how well you understand speech, both with hearing aids and without. And if you're still having a significant difficulty understanding speech, even with hearing aids, then the cochlear implant could be a very good solution for you.
Okay, it's wonderful that you're holding this seminar tomorrow, because if you even have any questions, you or a loved one is having trouble hearing, maybe their hearing aid is just really bothering them, this is a wonderful solution. And that's the biggest thing. You know, hearing aids can really be kind of a nuisance for a lot of people, and this is a wonderful solution. Well, thank you so much for coming today.
Thanks for having us.
Bob, thanks for sharing your story.
Oh, I'd love to. I enjoy it so much.
Yeah, it was so wonderful to meet you both. For more information, of course, just head to our website and check out things there.